These are some of the plants that will be going to Chelsea. They were in the greenhouse when the weather was a bit cooler. We've moved them outside now. Now, one of the reasons we do this, and these are all of them here, is plants like this variegated lemon balm. The variegation doesn't really come particularly striking until you move it outside, and it looks a lot better. So we're going to take a look. These will all be going in the centre part of the Chelsea display. We always have more plants than we're ever going to use, just so then as we get closer to Chelsea, we make the selection even finer. So these are just some of them. We've also still got some herbs under glass in the greenhouse as well, some nice mints there and things like that. So yeah, they're all looking really well, and the weather's come really good for us, which is great.